The pet parrot diet. In the wild, parrots have a varied diet that may include fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds, grains, sprouts, insects, flowers, and pollen. While commercial diets, including birdseed mixes, pelleted foods, and ready-to-cook meals, aim to replicate this variety, a single product cannot fulfill 100% of a parrot's nutrition. Consult with a reputable avian retailer or your avian vet for more information. Veggies and greens. While fresh vegetables and greens are preferable, thawed frozen options can be used as a substitute. Some of the most nutritious veggies include spinach, carrots, peas, sweet potatoes, and collard, mustard, or turnip greens. While fruit contains important nutrients, it is also high in sugar, so should account for only about 5% of a parrot's diet. Parrots tend to love apples, bananas, berries, grapes, papaya, and melon in particular.